Hi guys, wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. It's been long since our last video. Basically, we've been quite busy developing some AI agents for marketing. We did a lot of research, trial and errors, we got a lot of learnings, and basically our objective was to develop the frameworks ready to be deployed, which can be used by any brand. It could be your business model, could be B2B, B2C, B2B2C, or even D2C, which is your e-commerce basically. We're ready with 3 of our AI agents for marketing, for research, for planning purposes, and for reporting. So first one is the research AI agent. First, let me explain what agentic AI for marketing is. It's basically a system integrated where multiple tasks are initiated. The system is talking to another system to give the desired output. So for example, like I said, let's start with research. AI agent. What it will do is basically whenever you need to do a research for any brand, you are going to understand the market and you are going to understand the competitors. To understand the market, you will understand their target group, what their digital presence is, which means you will go to your keyword planner, you will understand the audience, you will understand what's the affinity, what's the interest group that are available on digital. You will go through tools and you make use of tools like mention.com to understand how many times a brand has been mentioned. You will look at the keyword planner to see how much is the brand penetrated into the market, and if it is a product based, then what is the demand in the market for that. Next step is you look at competitors. You do the competitor detailed audit and research to understand what that brand's competitors are doing. Basically, how is their digital presence. You will again look at mention, you'll look at keyword planner, you'll understand their brand penetration, you'll go through their ad libraries, you will do the research. Based on all of this, a SWOT analysis comes out. SWOT analysis basically gives you the detailed understanding of what your next steps as a brand should be. Where do you stand in the market? What your next steps should be? What are your opportunities? What are your strengths? So that's what it will give out, and that's what you've developed. So this is the kind of report it will show. Here's the sample output as well, and we have a prompt as well developed, which is tried and tested, works very well. You can DM us if you want us to pick up your audit and research. In the next video, we will show how the marketing plan AI agent works. Thank you.